little nighttime drive with twin turbo Lambo. We're gonna go meet up with another twin turbo Lambo, which is just freaking crazy. So I'm hyped, boys. I'm hyped. So sick. There's some more M's in the freeway. We got like low-key line up. There's like a 911 over here as well. I wonder if we're all going to the same place, but we'll see. I don't know if you guys like these videos where I'm just chilling, not talking much. And I mean, there's not much gassing going on, so it's kind of like whatever, but I guess the aura is sick. That's a purple Hellcat? I can't even tell. We're all driving so slow, I can't catch up. Oh, snap. Now pulling up to Porter Ranch. I cannot wait to tune this M5, boys. My goal is to do that next year. I just want to be able to pop high gears. That's all I really care about, bro. Sheesh, man. We're like in one of the nicest neighborhoods I've been to, bro. I love this area. Holy crap. That's actually crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. The way he's maneuvering is so funny to me.
It's so low.
I know. I think it's like even lower than Marlin's, bro.
Marlin's is low too.
He has to lift up the front. Wait, did he stall?
What?
I mean, dude, that thing's built so heavy. I bet you.
Yeah, I don't want to be surprised.
Oh crap!
Fast flames.
What's so crazy? How that's an STO.
Dude, yeah, that.
I'm straight pipe, fully straight pipe now. Fully,
it
bro.
sounds like when mine had down pipes.
Dude, yeah.
And the mid pipe.
You had mid pipe.
Mid pipe, down pipe. It sounded just like this.
Yeah, the mid pipe does so much, bro.
It does, yeah.
But I don't have the valves connected. But the valves on this thing are, dude, powerful, bro.
I had no valves.
You had no valves, yeah, because it's stock, bro.
Stock valves are horrible.
I'm just surprised you were able to sell it for such a good price. That's sick, dude.
It was insane.
Are we leaving already?
I can record you if you want to.
When we start sending it, probably. But
Okay.
for now, don't be sure, bro. Don't be sure.
Just let me know whenever.
Sounds good, bro. Thank you, bro.
Of course.
Dude, this is what you need to get next, bro.
Bro, GT3, Huracan.
Huracan. Get something above V8, bro. GT3 is V6.
Like an Audi? Like an R8?
R8, they're V10, so they're not bad.
Yeah, but you would rather get an R8 over a GT3?
I don't know, bro.
No, I don't know.
I would probably just go full send and do something like that. Oh my god.
What are you getting next?
I want to get twin turbo Lambo. If I go on my own, I want to get twin turbo Lambo.
Twin turbo.
He's gonna shoot right now. Nice. Twin turbo STO, another twin turbo STO, twin turbo Huracan. That's just, dude. Imagine having enough money to buy STO and then twin turbo. That's just wild.
That's what I've heard.
Boys, we're heading home now. Dude, it's crazy how this Lambo overpowers me. You can't even hear the pops right now. It's like super hard to hear it. Those turbos! Those turbos are sexy! Woo! Hey boys, I keep telling you, one day, you will see, boys. Every single day, working harder, learning more. Grind never stops. Beautiful, dude. These car meets are like, I like going to car meets, but also at the same time I don't. Because boys, I want a Lambo one day, boys. Boys, it's so crazy how this is like a norm now, because I used to dream to have friends like this. And good friends too, like not only having Lambo friends, but Lambo friends is whatever, but having good friends that are, not only are they good friends to you, they're also successful. That was always the dream, boys, always. Dude, this M5 can freaking pull, bro. I'll tell you that. This M5 can pull. Especially on like the higher gears, bro, it pulls like no other. I wonder if having the light on would be better. You guys let me know in the comments. Is it better to have the light on or nah? We gotta work harder, boys. Like, don't get me wrong, like these cars are amazing, the ones I have, but I'm not gonna let that, I'm not gonna settle for less, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep going. I am grateful, so thankful for what I have, but I am not settling, boys. We're going full send. Full freaking send. Look at this, dude. This freaking titanium exhaust. Oh. love this neighborhood, bro. It's like at nighttime, it's dead. Shoot, man. What I love about this exhaust is also like pops in low gears. Like, bro, that's literally gunshots. Yo, I had to be in second gear to pop like that. Now I'm popping like this in third. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's freaking beautiful, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, boys, if you guys want to buy this, the link's in the bio. If any of you guys have M5s. I know a lot of people, like when I used to have an M5, I used to always try to watch videos on exhaust with downpipes, and honestly, boys, I would barely find anything. Dude, that's third gear. Even fourth gear it's loud now. What? Fifth gear. It's kind of hard to pop it when you see with the tune that's come from the factory. It's hard to pop, but even fifth gear pops at a certain RPM. I need to slow down. Yeah. Fifth gear pop, and it's like pretty loud. Like it's fourth gear. Fourth gear used to never. Oh my gosh, fourth gear used to never pop like that. What the heck? Hope you guys enjoyed this little POV with boys. We were riding with. It's just crazy how we're riding with twin turbo Lambos from Sheep Race 2. It's just crazy to me. Like I'm riding with guys with. I used to love watching Sheep Race. Now I have friends with. Dude, I can't believe it. Truly just blessed. Truly just blessed, boys. Make sure there's no cops here. This plaza is pretty much closed right now, so I should be able to. I guess the gym is still. Bro, it's oh dude, it's so dead. What the frick? Oh my gosh. That's actually crazy. Yo. This car's always here, and bro, look at those rims. Shit, man. It's not popping no more. I know this is it, and I don't have the valves on right now. I didn't run the wiring still, dude. I've been so hyped driving this thing. Like unreal. It's just raw now, dude. I freaking love it, dude.